Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet Christmas finger gloves designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet Christmas finger gloves designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet Christmas finger glove designs collection. These are all handmade crochet Christmas finger glove designs collection. These all collection are very useful in winter. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. New ideas crochet Christmas finger glove designs collection. Beautiful different color combination Christmas crochet finger gloves designs collection. Beautiful stylish different color crochet Christmas designs collection. All collection are very beautiful. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for